So, you're wondering how to exactly start using the Horn of Vastiri here to clear the Sandstorms in Path of Exile 2? Well, if you're not aware yet, if you progress enough into Act 2 and in Path of Exile 2, usually you'll receive a reward called the Horn of Vastiri. So, to use that, you first need to interact or you need to talk to Sekhema Asala here. So, interact with her and just uh, basically interact so that you could trigger the mission for it. But once you have or once you interacted on her, it should remove the eye icon or whatever icon that you see here for the mission. And you just need to go to your desert map and you want to go to the Traitor's Passage. Now, it should also indicate that this is going to be the next mission for this one. So once you are in here, you'll notice that there's going to be some sandstorm here. But since I already cleared this, it's not there anymore. But what you need to do is you want to go to the front side of the caravan, and you should see an eye icon in here. It's the same thing that you usually see when there's a mission notification. So you just need to press on it, and you should be able to blow the horn of Vastiri. So once you blow on the horn, you could go and just go back in here, go to Trader's Passage, and continue on with your mission. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.